Tara do in prison? Can you tell us?
I think she'll do okay. Luckily, she's not there for very long. But you know, she's tough. She's got all these years in charming and given her pretty thick skin and some good scrappy skills. I think she'll be all right.
How do you like doing these big fan events?
It's kind of intense. I like it though. I mean, when we were downstairs doing the signing, I felt sort of charmed by people who, you know, wait for hours in line, and you know, it's so rare that you get to be in a place where people are just enthusiastic. Mm-hmm. There's so much sort of innocent, you know, enthusiasm. I think that's really nice.
Can you imagine anything that could drive Jax and Tara apart?
Everything. I mean, Gemma, club, prison. You know, I think that he's made his choice. You know, in a way, I think he's not leaving Charlie. And I think she ends up going to prison. And you know, this season doesn't find them particularly well. I think they're living together and they're trying to make it work, but there's a lot of alienation.
So are we going to see Jax's wives' clubs unite in this season?
Jax's what?
Wives' club.
My club?
You and Drea.
Unite.
I'm joking. I just kind of find it funny that they had some bonding moments. So is that going to continue into next season?
Yeah, I think you'll see them. You know, I think Tara's trying to assemble her allies as best she can, and you know, she and Gemma started to figure each other out last season. I think you'll see some of that continuing into this season.
What are some shows you like to watch on TV?
What am I watching right now? I enjoy. I'm watching The Americans right now, which I really love. I'm a Game of Thrones fan. I enjoy The Newsroom and Breaking Bad. I just started watching Ray Donovan, which I enjoy.
Would you have time to get down any of the shows, and what shows would you choose if you could?
What do you mean?
If you could choose one show to guest star, which?
Oh, to guest star?
Yeah.
Probably The Americans. I think that show's really smart, and I think the acting is really great. I like this. I like the spy, the intrigue. It's good characters.
The last scene of the season between you and Charlie, there was so much that was not said. Well, actually, I think the whole season there was so much about not said and how they lied to each other. What do you think was the thing that tipped that point? Because I think before, that was their strength. They would communicate, and this season 5, that changed.
Yeah. I mean, they've often made vows to communicate and lie or hidden and this and that. I think the thing that kind of broke it for them last season was, I think him shooting up Wendy with heroin was a really hard moment for Tara. I think that's hard that kind of violence against somebody that he once loved. I think that was really, really hard. And then, and I think her ending up going to prison was sort of like, wow, you promised me that this wasn't going to happen. And, you know, if there's one thing that you hope your criminal husband can prevent from happening, it's that. And, you know, and he swore to me that it wouldn't happen, and then it happens, you know. That was work she was doing for his love. So I imagine it was bad.
Where is Tara drawing her strength this season? Because she, you know, the whole jail thing, what makes her kind of keep on fighting the fight, I guess?
Her kids. It's her kids. I mean, I think it's the only thing that is keeping her. I mean, it's keeping her super focused.
You've had quite the character arc over the course of the seasons. Have you gotten a script where your character's going to be doing something where you're just like, you were really shocked that that's where things were going to go? Do you have any examples of what those were?
I don't think I can stick to it, but I will say yes.
So it's coming. It's like coming soon. All right.
Thank you.